Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
There's some leftover broccoli. These are 4 eggs that I'm giving a good beating to. That's some cheddar cheese. Mike Foster here. It's a killer, where are you? Killer scramble. Simple to make. Got the eggs, we got the broccoli, we got the cheese. I'm just gonna throw a little butter in this pan and put together this killer diller scramble, which is a fast, simple, and easy way to start your day. Healthy for you too. Meet you at the stove. We got a medium, a little lower than medium, put a little butter down. First thing we do is add this broccoli. I cooked this last night. Just steamed it with some salt, pepper, and some butter. Some olive oil. We're just gonna warm this up. Like I said, it's already cooked. To this, 1 crack of salt, some pepper. That looks nice. Let's get those eggs in. Let's get this to medium and let's just throw this around. Get this cooking. It's fast scramble. Now let's put the cheese. Plenty of cheese. Mix it around. When this cheese is melted, this gorgeous scramble will be ready. There's a close-up of that gorgeous broccoli and cheese scramble. Can't wait for a bite. Let's see if it tastes as pretty as it looks. Oh. The broccoli fell. That's delicious. The cheese. The eggs are so creamy and tasty. And that broccoli. Just enough chew in there. Not mushy. And delicious. A little salt and pepper. Fast, easy way to start your day. Really healthy way to get your protein and some good veg. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. I snuck one in on my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Mike eats healthy just about every day. I have a cheat day once a week when I eat all that crazy stuff. For all you people out there who think that I've gained a little weight. But it's not from the bad food, it's from the wine. I'm trying to lose weight. And it's a sweet babu. Asa.